Welcome once again to your channel to Hazlo Easy. Today we show you how to fold your panties and underpants in a super compact way. This way you will optimize the space in your drawers. Let's get started. With the panty facing up, we calculate about 3 fingers below the waist. At that height we will make a fold as we are seeing. With the front side up, we fold the end at the height of the groin of the opposite side, and with the other side the same thing. From the bottom we are going to start to roll it up. Make it compact. Once you have finished rolling, you only need to take the part of the waistband and turn it over, in this way that you are seeing. And with that, we would already have our panties completely folded and compact. Now let's go to the underpants. We would measure about 4 fingers from the waistband. From that measurement we fold. And the process is super similar to the briefs. We fold the ends like we're looking at. And on the leg part, we would fold each corner inward to make it more compact. And we start to roll it up. Once we get to the end, the process is the same as before. We take what is left of the waistband and turn it over. This works for any type of underpants. Those are boxer shorts, but it would also work for slips. And this is the end of today's video. I hope you find it useful. See you in the next video.